Hello amigos, welcome to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this classic dish. Not only is it popular, it's delicious. Perfect to keep you warm during this cold weather. Presenting Caldo de Pollo. Now for the ingredients. For this recipe you need 1 whole chicken, 4 golden potatoes, 1 chayote, 3 carrots, a pinch of salt, 1 onion, 2 corns, 2 zucchinis, a bunch of cilantro, and chicken seasoning. Now grab your onion and cut it in half. Now you will need a pot. Add in 5 quarts of water and boil. Meanwhile, cut and wash your chicken. Add in half of the onion and the chicken. While the chicken cooks, we're gonna work on the vegetables. Starting with the golden potatoes, you're gonna cut them in half and then in half again. You don't have to peel the golden potatoes, just make sure they're thoroughly washed. Now for the carrots, you're going to peel and cut them. I love eating all these vegetables. They taste so good with the chicken broth. For the winter time, this dish is perfect. Even if you have a cold, this should help you feel better. Take the leaves off of the corn and then cut them in half. Now for the 2 zucchinis, you're gonna cut them into small pieces as well. The vegetables don't take a long time to cook. They should be ready within 10 minutes. There you have it, all the vegetables are ready for the pot. As the chicken begins to cook, it will release this foam. Make sure you take it off. You can use a colander to remove it. Continue to remove the foam until the broth is clear. Once the chicken is about to be ready, you're going to add the potatoes. Stir, then cover it for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, add in your salt and add in the chicken seasoning. Next, add in the rest of the vegetables and stir again. Once all the ingredients are done cooking, they should be fork tender. Since the corn cooks fast, you're going to add it last. Now, last but not least, the cilantro. Add it in, mix, and then cover. You really can't go wrong with this caldo de pollo. Look at that. You're going to cook for 15 minutes, then let it sit for another 10. This chicken soup smells really good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It goes great with lime and Spanish rice. Check out our video on how to make this Mexican rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.